Hi friends, today I'm going to share with you a shampoo which you can make yourself. It's a DIY herbal shampoo which you can prepare yourself with only 3 ingredients, and it's really very beneficial. It is really very helpful for your hair growth, for scalp itching, scalp problems, dandruff, and everything you've got, premature graying or whatever problems you have. This shampoo is going to sort it out, everything. I've been using this shampoo for a year now and it's really very beneficial. I was using sulfate shampoos. I don't say that they are bad or something, but the problem is that those shampoos contain a lot of chemicals, paraben, which is really harmful for your hair if you use it for long term. So sometimes you just need to change, and you just need to use something that is natural, that is herbal. So you can just give it a try. I have always been using this for a year now, and I see a lot of difference, and that's why I just thought I could share this video with everybody. So I have prepared this shampoo only with 3 ingredients, and it has really helped my hair grow, and it also cleanses my hair. These contain Shikakai, Amla and reetha. Reetha is a soap nut, so it cleanses your hair. Shikakai cleanses your hair and also helps in growth. Plus it has Amla powder, which is really beneficial for premature graying. So you can read all the benefits of these 3 powders online on Google. You will find that most herbal shampoos are prepared using these ingredients. So let's get started. Let's start with the procedure. So for this you're going to require 1 tablespoon of Shikakai powder, 1 tablespoon reetha powder, and half a tablespoon of Amla powder. You can change the consistency as per your need. Since Amla helps in preventing premature graying, and Shikakai and reetha powder are really very helpful and beneficial for your hair growth and hair cleansing. So as per your need, you can just adjust the powders. If you want Amla powder to be more, then you can add it as per your need. Now mix the powders really very well. Once this powder is mixed, add hot water. Water should be really very hot because we need this shampoo to be prepared properly and all the powders to be mixed. Now just stir well. As you can see, the shampoo has started to foam and create lather. Mix it really well. You just have to remember that you have to add hot water. And this way, your herbal shampoo is ready. You have to keep this overnight, and you can wash it the second day. But if you are in a hurry, you can just store it for 20 minutes and then you can use it. I usually transfer this shampoo in this bottle. It really helps to, reach out all the roots of your hair and scalp. So you can purchase this bottle. It's very easy to find it. I usually store this mixture overnight because it's really very effective, and before using it you need to strain it properly because you need to remove all the hard particles from it. So strain it properly and then you can use it. For some people this shampoo doesn't remove excess oil. Yes, if you apply oil half an hour before before washing your hair, it won't remove the oil. You need to oil your hair overnight After that, the shampoo really works. But even after that, if you feel that your hair is sticky, so you can try Biotique shampoo, that is green apple shampoo. It really works well, and it is also natural, SLS and paraben free. I will review that shampoo very soon, so you can try that shampoo. And if you oil your hair like very moderately, then this shampoo works the best. Plus it is all chemical free. You can make it in your own home, so really try this shampoo. And if you have any questions or queries related to this, you can just comment me. Thank you. Meet you in the next video, and do subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to receive more such videos.